This was a necessary, unnecessary purchase. Hello YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, we have a good old unboxing that I like to do whenever I get new stuff, and I'm just really excited for this. So I'm going to go ahead and open it as we talk. So I saw that it's a person. Like, hello, it's a person. I saw this advertised when they first came out on Facebook, and I was like, that is so cute. Oh my gosh. But the price, I was kind of like, I don't know about that. But this, I am kind of celebrating something. I don't really want to go into it because I'm actually keeping this to myself for the most part this time, but this was like a congratulation celebration gift to myself, and I had originally wanted to get another Louis, but then I was like, might not be the best option right now financially. And even though this one was still really expensive, I was like, in the long run, you know, this is a limited edition piece, and it is slightly cheaper than the Louis that I wanted, so I just plunged. But there is the Coach logo, and then looking in the box, we have the little Coach sticker here. This is going all over the place, I'm sorry, but oh my gosh, she got a dust bag with a new bag. That's a little shade at Michael Kors for not giving me a dust bag. So there's the dust bag. This is a really hefty coat, like, dust bag. Wonder if they've changed the from what I remember of the Coach bags, they were like that really silky material. Actually, yeah. So this is another Coach bag that I have. This is my Coach Tabby that has like the jeweled C on the front, but this is that, it still has the big Coach logo on the front, but it's that silky material that their Coach bags have been for a while. So that's interesting. That, like, I'm glad it's a hefty dust bag, I'm just saying. So I'm really excited to open that. But I've got my proof of purchase, all of that, and then the thank you for shopping Coach card. I don't really want that. And then I'm going to undo these. Oh my goodness. I mean, I'm gonna have to take like the stuff off of it, but oh my gosh. It's so cute. When I literally saw this collection, I was like, that is me in a bag. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to, and also in case I get any hate on here for this, like, this is my aesthetic and it's my money. I make sure all my bills are paid, and I work hard, especially now, for my money and the things that I want. So if you have any opinions like that, please keep them to yourselves. Otherwise, like, you will be deleted, because I don't allow any kind of negativity on any of my posts or anything, just because I'm not into that. So, you know, you can have your own opinion, just keep it to yourself. Alright, with the exception of the Crossbody Strap. Here she is in all her glory. Look at this, so cute. Oh my gosh. So this is Sparky, one of the Coachies from the new Coachies collection that came out. Look at her little feet. Oh my goodness. And then she's got little clochette feet, and her arms are the little Coach hang tag things. So really quickly, we're going to see what she fits, and then later on in the video, I'll do like mod shots and everything like that. But this is the Rogue style, by the way. So it's got two big open slip pockets, one big slip pocket back here, and then the middle zipper that still also has a big opening in the back, which I'm probably not going to keep anything in that one. But here in the middle is where I'm actually going to keep all of my purse stuff. So I have my keys in my wallet. It's going to go in there. My Louis Vuitton cosmetic bag. Some gum. I might actually put that in that pocket just so I can reach for it easily. Little Bluetooth knockoff. Well, they're not knockoff because they're not pretending to be earbuds, but they're like AirPods. My sunglasses in this cute little Starry Night case. And then I have my COVID vaccination card, which I will actually keep in this bag. Slip pocket, just for easy access. So keep that right there. Go in there. So yeah. It's so cute, I love it. Look at that, how cute. I love this bag so much. And one thing that I appreciate about all of the Rogues, like not just Sparky here, but all of, I don't know about the bigger ones actually, but I know the 25 size has lots of different strap options. So you have these handheld straps, which look super cute, especially with the design of the bag. Then you have these shoulder straps, which honestly, I super love those. I love how they fit just right under the crook of your arm, but not too much where it's like suffocating your armpit, but it's just enough and you can still see the design of the bag. And then this one also has a crossbody strap. This is the only strap that I'm not entirely 100% sure that all other Rogues come with. I believe the one I used to have a long time ago didn't have a crossbody strap. I might be wrong, I'm not sure. But this one comes with one. And, you know, I'm going to do like a whole in-depth review of this bag once I carry it for a little bit more. But right now, I've got to say, not a super fan of this crossbody strap. I love that it matches the leather around the bag. Like aesthetically, it looks good. But it is a thick, chunky strap, and I do not like that. It makes the bag feel heavier. It like cuts on your shoulder and makes it feel heavier. So if I crossbody it, I may find other options and not necessarily just use this strap, but as it goes along, we'll see how it goes. But another thing too that I like about the straps or most of the straps of the bag is that these, you can, if you're not using them, you can fold into the front pockets of the bag. So if you're carrying it by the other handles, they don't pop up. And the same thing too with these handles, the closing mechanism, they put it, I don't think that's right. The part that holds the strap, they put kind of like inside the bag, so you can fold them like this and they'll stay just on the top of the bag, so it's not hanging like that, which for this bag would kind of obscure the face a little bit. So you can move those. But look at her little feet. It's so cute. I love this bag. And another thing that kind of sets this one apart from the other Rogues is the little creed on the back, probably, but it says Coach Sparky Limited Edition. And then she's got feet on the bottom of her as well as on the front of her. But I also love the size of this one. The other ones are super cute, but I feel like for my purposes, this is the best size. And honestly, they call this the Rogue 25, but I want to see. So I have my Speedy 30 here. So, yeah, it is 25. So this is like the size of, or at least lengthwise, would be about the size of the Speedy 30, but Speedy 25. You've got like that much room from the 30. But this for me is the perfect size for a bag. It looks great crossbody. It looks great when you're hand holding it. It fits everything. And like I said, the straps just give this so much wearability. So you honestly get like 3 bags in one. And like I said, I mean, just look at that. Look how cute. Especially, I work with kids, so I mean, like, they're gonna love this. So I'm kind of quirky in my style anyway, so that's why I was like, yeah, I need to add that in my collection. But even when you sit her down, just look how cute that looks. It's so cute. I love it. But I will definitely do like a full review of this bag once I've had it for a little bit as well. So what's in my bag. Maybe I'll do that along with the review. I'm not sure. I kind of already showed you what I have in the bag, but you know, as I use it more, I'll obviously put more stuff in it, you know. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. If you did, hit the bell notification to find out when I post more videos on this channel. Also, don't forget to check me out on Instagram. I will have my handle right here or right here somewhere. But I post a lot of cool pictures and reels and stuff on there, so definitely check me out on there. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
All that's left is a window to my soul. Come and get it.